Hello friends, good evening. Welcome to my another session covering third stock of the day so that investors can have some knowledge before having their investment. So now I am covering another most important stock, which is one of the most famous stocks in the present times for the past 1 year, which has given tremendous returns over 380% after it was listed in the NSE recent time. So the name of the stock is AFFLE India. As everybody know, this stock is one of the most famous stocks now. Now let's begin our session going to its fundamentals. The stock is presently trading at a price of 4146.50 on closing basis today, up by 0.35%. The stock is in downtrend for the past 2 to 3 months due to some privacy issues and also most probably profit booking after giving tremendous run up. So I am covering this stock now because the stock is exactly at its buy level. So one can consider the stock to buy in chunks from this level once the volume gets rising. And also I would like to bring to your notice that this stock is under additional surveillance measure stage 4 and expected to come out of that very soon, most probably by coming month 10th or 15th, if there are no issues after SEBI finds that. So now the stock has a market capitalization of 11,089.29 in crores, and the stock PE has come drastically down, which was above 100 now to comfortable level of 82.6, and the fair level which most of the analysts consider is 70 and its face value is 10. And promoter holding was a bit reduced here because there was a QIP and other foreign investors are being acquiring the stake, so the promoters obviously has to reduce the stake so as to attract other foreign investors and HNI, high net worth individuals who wants to invest in this stock. So this is not a thing of concern over here. And I would like to also bring your notice here again that Nomura has downgraded earlier this stock, and the same Nomura has purchased the stocks of AFFLE India and raised their stake. So if Nomura is very confident about this stock, then we have to get at least some essence out of that. Then coming to the quarterly results, there was outstanding quarterly results in the last quarter, that is March 21. It has given a tremendous growth performance here, which led many investors to invest at higher prices. Those who have invested at lifetime highs need not worry and give some at least 6 months time if the stock rebounds from the current levels. Then the top line and bottom line of this stock has given extremely good percentage growth, around 283.32% PAT growth it has given, and also sales were grown by around 76.92%, which is a great thing to consider here now. So considering the stocks ROC and ROE, you can see here 31.13 and 43.64 ROE of about 20% is extremely good for the stock performance. And coming to its speeds, Oracle, OFFS, Oracle Financial Services and Intellect Design, you can see AFFLE India shows highest ROC and ROE. And coming to the stock performance, since the time it has got listed, from the past 3 months it has given negative returns, which it itself gives a wonderful opportunity to start buying the stocks. And coming to the technicals of the stock, the stock is now presently closed at 4199 as per the graph. You can see it has come to the point where rebound is expected as per Bollinger Band, and even the previous jump from where the stock has given a jump, it has come to that point, which means someone can start investing here. This is the more clear view here. So exactly it has closed near margin of safety level, which means that if you purchase the stock right now here, you will be getting a safety margin, there is nothing to lose much, and much more to gain from this point of time. Even if you lose, you might lose most probably 5 to 10%, but you have the fair chance to get around 40 to 50% if you invest from this point. And weekly performance of the stock also just given as a sell signal, but this might not continue for a long time, because this covers the extremely bullish candle. This one in this you can see with the highest price volume of 2.175 million, wherein we can see the high was on the day, the stock price highest was 4772.45 rupees. So which means the stock might touch this price level, and it has already come near that, and it might show a big rebound from this point. So every parameter suggests that the stock is at the best level, buy level, and of course anything can happen in the market, everyone is aware of that, but still you can consider the stock to buy, having considering its fundamentals and technicals and the past performance. And again, taking another technical parameter, Fibonacci, if we draw from the point where the stock has began its journey, upward journey here, and to the point where the stock has given lifetime high, that is 6284.16, you can see here the price. So exactly the stock is at its 38 level, which means around 4200, and most probably you must see a rebound from here. Just wait for one reversal or bullish candle, then you can start investing if you are not a risk taker. Then seeing another few important things about AFFLE India, there are many acquisitions and many best performance and good brokerage calls on that, on AFFLE India. So once again, having a brief summary on AFFLE India, seeing its acquisitions, recent acquisitions, and Fibonacci levels also indicating some buy levels. Weekly chart has the point where it has become do or die level to the stock. From this point we can see a correction of 5 to 10%, but if we find a reversal from here, it might go a long way. And finally, the coming quarter results might be good, and if shows much more better performance, you can take the risk if you have risk appetite. So what's your view, friends, on this stock? Let me know in the comments. Thank you very much. Bye bye, take care.